Give me life, give me life.
Yo, what up? 7:41 a.m.
That it happened overnight. Didn't. In it for the long haul flight. Committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite. I didn't. All bark, but they don't bite. They timid. Thinking that it happened overnight, but it didn't. In it for the long haul flight. I'm committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite, but I didn't. All bark, but they don't bite, cause they timid. Look, wait.
It's 8:58 on our So balik na tayo. Gonna go to church and then basketball.
Kakarating lang namin, guys.
Oo, ganyan. Kaso walang video. Imagine niyo na lang. Si Jam kasi di pumupunta dito. Diba? Di pumupunta si Jam. Wala tuloy taga-video. Sayang.
Wala kang support.
Oo nga eh.
Ano yung basketball career namin?
Wala tayong mixtape.
Sayang.
Yo guys, punta tayo ngayon sa mag-attend ng birthday.
Ang sabi nga, ang captain mo.
What's up guys? We're gonna go play tennis with the gang. With the gang. I might leave them playing tennis and play basketball though, but yeah, let's go. Yo, we're walking to the tennis court, and I think everybody naglaro. I'm with the gang.
Yeah.
I'm with the gang. We're walking to the court. Siyempre sa'yo kasi ikaw ang main character.
Wow,
Main character sa mga dogs ko. Ikaw ang favorite dog ko. My favorite dog. Say ow. Ano ba? This is full of spiders. Yeah. For real, bro. Yeah. It's so hot, but the wind is cold. So like, we don't know if it's actually hot. Yeah, it's balanced. And I think I got bitten by something. Kate. Ito ako maglalakad sa may shade. Kasi sobrang init guys. Watch us hit baseball home runs. Tennis home runs. Like, hinihingal na ako. Ayan sila. With the gang. The gang. Naka-Nike siya. Akin yan. Yan may class. Bitbit yung bola. Yeah. What's up guys? Nag-shooting lang muna ako. Ito ba?
Sigurado ka ha, di na tayo pupunta.
Di ba magkasama tayo doon? Di ba paupuin mo lang siya doon? Sorry. Naka-vlog ako.
Like, bleep.
Daddy ah.
Your point. Ay, ano na ba? 7.
Okay, yan. Problema yung shuttle.
Iba na. Wow, that was cool. Sino magsaserve? Didn't touch it. It's your point. You win.
Wait, hindi ka na